Okay, as you can see, this chair has some nail holes that were left from nails that were driven in it earlier in its life. They're around the chair. This is a wax stick, colored wax stick. It's pretty close to the color of this chair, and you can get these at your hardware store or home store. They come in little packets of 3 or 4 different colors. I like to just take a cigarette lighter and soften this wax up a little bit, and then just rub it in the hole. Do it like that. And then just buff it off. And you can go around the whole chair and do that to all the holes.